3, 2.
Salto della Novia.
Lego.
Okay, we go in there now to show you the waterfall.
Walking in the jungle. Jungle people. Jungle people.
Wah, ibu sambil lucu ya.
Look at us, always bringing our stuff from home, like our good vibe equipment.
We have to keep the vibe going. Check the water though.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Awak bahasa Suriah seperti apa? Mana?
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I just wanna lay under that waterfall. Like in Curacao we don't have waterfall. In Netherlands we don't have waterfall. So yeah, but it's not even real. Like everything, they made everything. So they make the park, they make everything is made
all
of.
the food. Also the food.
they make fake food. So yeah, this is really beautiful, guys. I wish you guys were here to enjoy this, like for real.
For real, man. For real. Like real shoes.
Real shoes.
Sneakers.
I'm in love. I wanna stay here forever. What?
Goat.
Goat. Oh my god, I see a goat. Why they put all the stuff there? Ah, so cute. Oh my god! This is super nice though. I can't believe I'm here. Sorry guys. I'm too excited, like always.
I told you I'm bringing some places crazy though.
Ooh, thank you, Daddy. Eat my. Okay, here are we eating. Eating. It's so beautiful. I'm here enjoying. This is beautiful. He is scared, guys. Look at him. You don't want to come here in the water. It's cold. Like it's really cold. This waterfall feel like you are taking a fresh bath. Like so delicious. Oh my god. This is the scary boys, guys.
I'm scared, you know.
Scary boy.
I'm scared. And
Scary.
then clothing to get
Always with the smoother. Thank you for leaving me alone and enjoying alone. Thank you very much.
It's Jesus.
And we are ready to go home.
We are ready to go home, but I don't wanna go home.
Then we need to stay.
It's too nice outside, man. If you go home because we're going to cook something, I'm starving and check the water though.
I don't want to leave, but it's getting late, so we need to.
And we need to ride 1 hour home, so
Yep.
let me do that. Adventure. Sorry if we didn't talk today that much, but this place was so beautiful and we had to enjoy it.
Yes.
So we
I
walked.
hope you guys enjoy the footage that we have
So all the content, remember to like, share,
and subscribe.
Yes, that's free. Subscribe is free, so just help us. Okay?
Yes.
Bye. Bye.
Bagus.
We can walk from here up there. There we go.